I don't know. I love these. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, let me know what you think. And y'all, Miss Joanne, shout out to Miss Joanne J, because she sent me these items from my Amazon wish list and they came really super fast. And I appreciate all the help and love and support that my subscribers has been showing me. Your girl is so thankful. I will make sure I definitely leave the Amazon wish list in the description box, so if you want to purchase something, you can go ahead and, you know, browse through and let me know and just send it over. First things first, I want to show this little outfit for Twyla. This is too cute. It's the shirt and it got like some cheetah print on it, and then these are the pants, and they're so cute. Like, look at the bottom of these. These are so cute. I love this little outfit. She's gonna wear this on Monday when she go to her pre-K class. Then she also got the girls some uniform pants. I added this to the wish list, and they really need these for their uniforms and stuff. They just need to be stacked up on a lot of these uniform clothes. These are too cute. So those are the clothing items. And so now we're gonna try to put this thing together. Y'all, hopefully it don't take long, because I just want to put it together, put some clothes in it, and just try to be able to be more organized. So hopefully y'all can see me. Okay, off rip, I see some feet. I see the feet. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. This is so cute, and it's like little, so it don't take up a lot of space. I really love that. It also can be used for different things. Like, this could go in my bathroom, but I'm gonna put it like in the girls' closet, and they can be responsible of going in there and taking out their school clothes in the mornings. I don't know, I love these. I love those. This is not hard to put together at all, y'all. But let me not jinx myself. Okay. Oh, here's another foot. Alright, so we got one more foot to do. top on it. Alright, we got one more foot right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to be careful with this because these are easy to like detach. Maybe that's not the one that goes next. This thing getting on my nerves. I'm just trying to attach the sides right now, and it's kind of complicated because they keep coming apart. There it goes. Okay. Alright, got that. That's 30. there. And then now it's all done, y'all. This is so cute. Shout out to Miss Joanne once again. Miss Joanne, I really appreciate your help. You doing this for me actually helps me because I've never really had something this so cute and sleek, y'all. And I'm really happy for it. And I really appreciate you, Miss Joanne. If you're watching this, I appreciate you, and I hope that God blesses you as well. And just thank you so much. So, yeah. Mommy, why are you screaming and hurting me? Now I'm about to see you.